Have you ever wondered how the paper you use every day is made? Join us as we explore the incredible journey of paper from tree to sheet. Paper starts its life as a tree. The most common types of trees used for paper making are softwoods like pine, spruce and fir, and hardwoods like eucalyptus, aspen and birch. Host! Once the trees are selected, they are harvested and transported to the paper mill. Sustainable forestry practices ensure that for every tree cut down, new ones are planted, maintaining a healthy balance in our forests. At the paper mill, the logs are first stripped of their bark and then chipped into small pieces. These wood chips are then cooked to break down the wood fibers. Host. There are two main methods for pulping: mechanical pulping, which grinds the wood into fibers, and chemical pulping, which uses chemicals to dissolve the lignin that binds the fibers together. The result is a pulp slurry that can be further processed. To produce white paper, the pulp needs to be bleached. This is done using a series of chemical treatments to remove any remaining lignin and brighten the pulp. Post-bleaching can involve several steps, including oxygen delignification and the use of chlorine dioxide. Modern mills use environmentally friendly bleaching agents to reduce the impact on the environment. Once the pulp is prepared, it's mixed with water and sprayed onto a moving mesh screen. This forms a continuous sheet of paper as the water drains away. Host! The wet sheet then passes through a series of rollers that press and dry it. These rollers remove excess water and compact the fibers, giving the paper its strength and smoothness. The paper is then dried by passing it through heated cylinders. After drying, the paper can be coated with different materials to give it specific properties, such as gloss or smoothness. Host! Finally, the paper is rolled into large reels and cut into sheets or smaller rolls, depending on its intended use. The finished product is now ready for printing, writing or packaging. Recycling plays a crucial role in the paper industry. Recycled paper is collected, repulped and made into new paper products, reducing the need for virgin pulp and saving trees. Host sustainable practices, including recycling and responsible forestry, ensure that paper remains an environmentally friendly product. So, next time you use a piece of paper, remember the journey it has taken.